So I got my new van for work. And they come supposed to be equipped to work out of. And I got basically 3 gray shelves. So, first thing we got to do is get rid of 3 gray shelves. Alright, shelves are out. All 3 of them. All the brackets are out. That literally took about 30 minutes. And all it was a 11 millimeter wrench and socket on the end of my little impact. Zipped everything right out. Wait till you see what I'm going back with. So here's the new shelving. Now the blue toolbox would have went in regardless of changing the shelving out, but this is all extruded aluminum with the nice bottoms, and it also has this tote case, which has almost probably 50% of my part by part number. A lot of parts in those boxes. But get the shelving changed out. All bolted back in. Now we gotta load it back down. So now I got my van pretty much loaded down. I got my toolbox mounted. It's right here. Pretty much these tote boxes right here, and that space between the wall and the shelf is how much room I gained by having a little bit longer van. All the shelves are full of all the parts. Got parts on this side. My storage stuff. I'm doing a little bit more. I'm right now in the middle of I'm gonna build the gray shelves that I took out. I'm gonna put a shelf in here. I'm cutting it down. I'll show y'all. Right there's the gray shelf. I got it all took apart, and I'm cutting it down to size. Show you. Back here I did take and off of one of the very first systems that we had. We used to have these blue bins, so I unbolted it and put it back here. So, and what I did is all the stuff that's in these blue bins I used to store up in the very front, up in that top. So now that's all my tools that I work with. That was way too long. So I measured it out and made 2 shelves out of 1, which only need 2 of them shelves. Cut that piece out. Left me with that piece. Then I went over to the brake press and set it up. And I bent the ends. And it's got these notches right here that clip on the sides, so I cut the notches. All I gotta do is trim these out and bend 2 more. There's 2. I gotta bend these 2. So I got that shelf all put back together. I got it stuck in the van. It fit right in the hole nice. Already got it loaded down with parts. Matter of fact, I got that shelf empty. And I actually emptied that top shelf. I just threw that box up there. It's going to go somewhere else. But that's 2 shelves I got emptied. Big shelves that I needed. I got all that stuff on these smaller shelves here. And still had room for the tote box on the ground underneath. I lost 1 tote box, which I didn't need. Didn't need that one really, but that's a good tote box with stuff in it. So that's going to be all on this episode. As you can see, I just got a lot of stuff to do. Other than work on cars, I got to keep my job going, keep the yard going. I've still got a lot of stuff to do on the house, so hopefully that's going to come around too. But little by little, I'm going to get it all done. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.